Hey PowerMates, this is Gaston. Exciting news in Microsoft Fabric. They just dropped a new game-changing feature, AI Skills. Now it's in public preview. If you're looking to supercharge your data workflows with AI, this is exactly for you. AI Skills in Microsoft Fabric lets you integrate with pre-built AI models directly into your data pipelines. No more jumping between tools or platforms. Everything you need is right here within Fabric. So, couple of use cases that comes to my mind. Imagine you're working with tons of customer feedback. With AI Skills, you can use text analytics directly in Microsoft Fabric to automatically analyze sentiment, extract key phrases, and categorize responses, all in real time, right where your data lives. Another use case, image classifications, or let's say you're kind of handling a database of images. You can now use AI Skills to classify images based on predefined categories, automatically tagging and organizing your media files without leaving Fabric. Talk about efficiency. So, whether you are into text analytics or managing visual data, AI Skills in Microsoft Fabric makes it easier to bring AI into your workflows. Try it out today in public preview and let me know in the comments how you're planning to use it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Fabric and Power Platform updates. See you in the next video.